What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on ENS, Ethereum name service, which has pumped up once again over 23% guys, and is currently trading at $22.34. so we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much, where is it heading to next, can it potentially go past $25-30 over the coming days and weeks as well, and mainly focusing on, is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it? Or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the next couple of weeks, months, and so on? And as usual, we are going to cover its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024 as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we are at a very critical stage right now where we have broken out into the top tier level, so you can either break out or step back down into the blue zone here, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ENS, which is here in purple at $18.85. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at $22.30, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from ENS over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by the end of the day today, the crypto should be hovering around $22, which I also agree with. Reason for that is it is likely to pump up a little bit higher over to about $23-24 over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value later on this afternoon, evening time, down to around just about $22. So it should effectively be hovering around its current price range by the end of the day today. After going through a minimal increase and then drop back down, it should be staying around its current price range. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking quite bullish. Both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards a positive direction. However, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that it is looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of days. However, that is not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting ENS to have dropped back down in value below $19 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is, first of all, from my predictions and analysis that I have done, the crypto is overvalued right now. So it is expected for it to drop back down over the coming days, down to about below $20, and towards the end of the week, below $19 is where I'm expecting ENS to be trading at. So do expect an overall decrease in value over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, in this case, we have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. The blue line is looking quite steep, however, the orange line isn't. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late March and early April 2024, I'm expecting ENS to have gone through an overall increase in value, potentially heading past $30 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be heading towards. However, As you guys know, the Bitcoin halving is coming in April, which could have a potential impact on the value of the crypto market in general, which I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible and as I get more updates and news. But at the moment, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but again, this is subject to change according to how the Bitcoin halving goes as well. And just the crypto market in general, it goes through bull runs and crashes. These things will have a major impact, which I will let you guys know and keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are trading in the top tier level right now, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, it is slightly overvalued. So what I'm expecting it to happen is drop back down into the the blue zone here over the coming days and coming week or so before it drops back a little bit further down into the green zone by mid to late February, and then potentially slowly start to gain value up into the top tier level in March and April, heading towards the $30 mark as I mentioned earlier on in the video. But I will let you guys know if there are any major updates. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 300% in the last 24 hours, making it $270 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Again, reason for that is it has been gaining a lot of value over the last 24 hours, and in fact over the last week it has gained 17%, and over the month a massive 76%. So it has been quite volatile, with peaking, dropping, peaking again in value, but overall it is on the positive side, which is what matters, and it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Binance, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention right now in the crypto market from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people have started to trade ENS. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto, guys. Can this crypto potentially hit $100 mark anytime soon? Personally, towards the very end of the year is possible, but it is unlikely. Reason for that is it's going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting it to happen. Potentially next year it should be able to hit the $100 mark, but in the second half of the year I'm expecting ENS to go past the $50 mark and potentially hit around $60 to $70 towards the end of the year. But again, it is crypto, guys. Any little news can have a major impact, so I will let you guys know on ENS. If you guys want regular updates, comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the year, at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.